Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Get the base, handset, battery, and cords. Insert the rechargeable pack into the handset, match polarity, and snap the cover closed so contacts align. Plug the base's power adapter into an outlet, then connect the telephone line to the line jack. Once done, place the handset on the base to charge. The charging indicator should light. Make sure the base is within 2 meters of the phone jack to avoid line issues, then wait for at least 3 hours for an initial charge. You'll now configure basic settings so the phone works how you want. Power on the handset and choose language, then set date and time because voicemail and caller ID use them. If you have extra handsets, register them, press the base's register button, or use the handset menu's registration function and follow prompts. Adjust ringtone and handset volume in settings. Change screen contrast for readability. These steps ensure accurate logs and multi-handset use. Make small adjustments and test by placing. Finish by thoroughly testing. Make an outgoing call, receive an incoming call, and try speakerphone and handset range in other rooms. Program voicemail access and any speed dial numbers so you don't need to navigate menus under pressure. If caller ID or time is incorrect, recheck line connection and settings. If any handset won't register, power cycle both the base and handset, unplug the base and remove handset battery for 30 seconds, then retry registration. This simple reset fixes most connectivity and registration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.